Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Citizen. If you're new here, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. The space created in the roof for the water tank limited us to 2,000 water tank capacity, and we bought it, got the place tiled and ready for the tank before we picked it up. And that saved me money because we bought it around 1,500 Ghana cedis, and then when we went back it was around almost 1,800. So if I had waited before buying it, I would have bought it much more than I bought it. So I decided to do this and install the water tank before I did the roof, the POP and plastering of the house, because I didn't want everybody to be going up there back and forth in the ceiling, working whilst there's a POP in place. And also the second idea why I also did that was that to test all the supply lines and make sure there is no leakage. I wanted to make sure none of my pipes suppliers to the bathrooms and the kitchen and to all the services were not leaking. And thanks to God, we only encountered a few leakages, and that was fixed. It is always a good idea to make sure you test your pipes before you plaster your house. And how are you going to do that? So before I was able to do that, I made sure I did my borehole. So now I have the borehole at the house that supplies the house with water, and that was what was pumped into the tank, and that is what we're going to use anyway. So that was what was pumped into the tank and was used to test all the supply lines. In my next video, I'll share with you the borehole, when it was being done. I'm going to share that with you, and I'll put up all the prices, everything, the cost and all that. Yeah, so I'm going to continue to use this Tyler. He's a good guy and he really did a good job. So I'm going to employ him to do all my tiling works at the house. And yeah, and he happens to be a family friend, so that is a good thing.
Mushi yalenga monu ya bapli ya budu ya hu ya dia dede no kuyenge juleka oti ishanga monu 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 epiamwe Bemayelinga munu Ishianga monu Emwe Bemayelinga munu Cross Beats. Mushi yalenga monu ya bapli ya budu ya hu ya dia dede no kuyenge juleka oti ishanga monu 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 epiamwe
The land that you see on your screen behind my building is also mine, and I'm still thinking about I'm still planning on what to put on it. Initially I wanted to use it for apartments, but I'm still thinking about what to do with it. I'm back and will be putting more videos up, so if you're new here, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. There'll be more videos coming, so stay tuned, subscribe, and let's go on this journey together. There's more to come.
Fiat music. I konzi again. Meso munyame. Midini mizaya. Onone afani omega. Minyame no. Michedi nyame. Onone mebutenti. Ono no bosoro ni asase ma yenkwan ni ewi. Inti mekoso masumu erade. Yehowa. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Memfa na see the need and no mekwa so dada masum erade. Yehovah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Memfa na see the need. Yo nyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Minyame no. Onyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Mama Michael. Minyame no. First of all, emphasis that me wurade. Na dumti na yeda so tiase. Atamfo ne nhihye ne senka ye behwe ase na wurade. Wama na mamudia yeda wase. Enti menu ya jinudi. Ono no nim wa hyase. Ono no ka so beboa wo daachi ama wo so wa beyo brempo menu ya sawati. Obi anim obrempo bi ahyase enti menu ya wo he hyase kan for wurade. Ose me se Obama my rapper. Obi anje ande a obi se jabe. Ene mehu ni nyame. Enkani ame yade dem ficha mimbe fi ma banyame ayade. Ene muhu me fofo. Enkane na me shi dot rough. Nyame na dum ni shira. Na so me so bene ma ye big boss. Brother sister kenka my 2312. Be hunde nyame no your door rough. See, eridi wi na beta aside nipa da sani wo ho an ye kita pictures away bar still. Yeah, inti yo nyame ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Minyame no. Onyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Yeah, minyame no. Etire di asia nangoma enzo achere. Megere mumu bi obuareke. Tumve nyamene ne di asia menye hola menye ye menye mengezo ya bodie. Angba no kodam nangwati nyamene ne ye die. Wama ye ezereke sunada selimo kokko ebi ala oke oyebo azukwele eni yebe jisekeju suonu na kura frenya mere ni ri enu pafo da hihye bobo ayemu El Shaddai ne ogare yemoti ye de mokadu ye bi ala yemo ye mama sunada seli bi ala buwa benu I konzi mi vedede ya vurenu Semeleme na same fame mama nyamre oluwa ke ewiade bele bole bempe. Thanks and adoration be to the most high. Oluwa inyila lezo wene mi jechi tai. Pafule mu mi pe idin ye no kai. Kana na nyamre kechi mo wona na leka wai. Besu wa ade ma bedi yare ye moti de mukuzu wangare ya ifama mizu afure. Nyamre memre me Michael. Yeah, gigs bomb piano. Yo nyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Minyame no. Onyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Minyame no. Onyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. Minyame no. Fiat music. I konzi again. Meso munyame. Midini mizaya. Onone afani omega. Minyame no. Michedi nyame. Onone mebutenti. Ono no bosoro ni asase ma yenkwan ni ewi. Inti mekoso masumu erade. Yehowa. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Memfa na see the need and no mekwa so dada masum erade. Yehovah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Memfa na see the need. Yo nyami ye bi mawa. Wonyina ya. Wonyina yo. nyame no no onyame ye bi mawa unyina ya unyina yo mama Michael nyame no no first of all yem fasida mawurade na dumti na yeda so ti ase atamfo ne nhyehyɛ ne senka ye behwe ase na wurade wama na mamudia yeda wase ntimi nua ginu di ono no nim wa hyase ono no ka so bebwa wodaachi ama wo so wa beyo brempo menua sawati obi anim obrempo bi ahyase ntimi nua wo he hyase kamfo wurade ose me se obama my rapper obi anje ande a obi se jabe ene mehu ne nyame enkane a me yade dem ficha me mbefie ma abanyame ayade ene muhu me fofo enkane na me shi dot rough nyame na dum ni shira na so me so me ne ma ye big boss brother sister kenka my 2312 behu de nyame no your door rough eridi wi a na beta ase de nipa da sani wo ho an ye kita pictures away bar still yeah into nyame ye bi mawa unyina ye